Hey everyone, I am Aisha Javed, CEO and co-founder of CodeJig.xyz. I have been working as a software engineer primarily in the backend domain for the past 5 years. And the reason why I created this video is to let you know what CodeJig is about and to share my personal motivation or story behind building this online coding platform. So it started a few months back when I met someone and had this conversation with them where they were interested to transition from their non-tech background towards tech. And that chat kind of stuck with me. I realized that it's not just one person's problem, rather, lot many people out there are struggling to take their first step into the world of software engineering. And that's not because they are not smart enough. It's rather because the pathway towards that, it's completely unclear. It's completely unstructured. Especially when we have tons of resources over the internet, such as YouTube, books, and even after following those video tutorials or finishing those courses, most of the people, they still seem stuck. And this got me into thinking that how did I start out when I wanted to learn how to code? And what helped me the most was not a fancy framework or a trendy coursework. Rather, it was focus on building strong logic building skills, pure simple logic. And that was it. Another thing that helped me the most was not rushing into the coding part. Rather, first understanding the problem, taking your time to understand the problem, then moving towards pseudocode. That was the solution. And by pseudocode, I mean a simple set of instructions in English, which are written in order to solve that problem or that coding challenge. And once that was done, then I would eventually move towards Python implementation. So over the time, this really helped me to think like a programmer. Honestly, when I cracked my Amazon interview, it was these fundamentals that made all the difference. It was not trendy framework, it was not a trendy tech stack. So when I see people stuck with programming, even after finishing their XYZ courses related to framework or a certain programming language, or after following a set of video tutorials, I can't help but think that this fundamental core layer of logic building skills, that's the missing part. Nobody is teaching them how to think like a programmer. And that is exactly where CodeJig comes in. It is designed for bootcamp graduates, it's designed for beginners, it is designed for career switchers or self-taught programmers with a laser sharp focus to focus on logic building skills. And the same approach that I have mentioned earlier, that's followed in CodeJig of understanding the problem, then moving towards pseudocode and eventually moving or mapping that pseudocode to Python code implementation. And the reason why I chose Python was because Python is really simple and its syntax is less complicated as compared to other programming languages that we have, such as Java or C++. So you can focus on logic building skills and at the same time, you can get to the coding part faster. Then there are videos for the logic building concept. There are videos for the solutions. There are coding challenges and exercises to make sure that you are provided with everything in order to level up with respect to having strong logic building skills. Not many resources out there that exist. Either they are too much scattered or they jump into too many advanced topics too soon without having that strong foundational layer of logic building first. And this is exactly what we do not do at CodeJig. Rather, we take an opposite approach where we are just going to focus on logic building skills. So if you are someone who is a complete beginner and you don't know where to start or what's your first step into the world of software engineering, or you are someone such as a bootcamp grad or a CS grad or a career switcher who have not had good experience earlier with the learning materials that you have taken so far, then this is where and how CodeJig can help you to build your first layer, to build your first step into the world of coding. So this is it about CodeJig, and I hope to see you soon on our platform. I wish you all the good luck and have fun taking your first step into CodeJig.